Hello students, in this IPM series, let's discuss about IPMAT Indore exam. IPMAT Indore will give you the opportunity to study from top-notch IIM just after class 12th. It will provide you a dual degree, which is BA in Foundation of Management and MBA. Let's discuss what is the exam pattern. The exam is divided into two stages. Stage 1 is the written part, followed by the personal interview, wherein in the cumulative score, the 65% of your written part will be calculated and 35% of your interview part will be calculated. If I talk about the details of the written, then in this exam, there will be total 90 questions, wherein 15 questions will be short answer quantitative aptitude, 30 questions will be MCQ of quantitative ability, and last but not the least is 45 questions of verbal ability. There will be negative marking also of -1, and for every positive there will be +4. And do remember one thing, there is no negative marking in short answer quantitative ability question. If I talk about what other institute which accept IPMAT Indore result, then you have, apart from IIM Indore, IIM Ranchi, IIM Shillong, IIM Amritsar. Also there are many other prestigious institutions like Tapmi Karnataka, Nalsar University Hyderabad, IIFT Kakinada also accept IPMAT Indore score. For more such informative videos, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and don't miss to follow our Instagram page. Thank you.